Hi everybody, my name is Suzanne Hiron and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. In this week's tip, I'd like to show you how to use these wonderful new blending brushes. Let's get started. In this week's tip, I want to talk to you about the blending brushes. These are a new product in the January to July catalog this spring, and they've been a long time coming. I just love them. So I'm going to show you, the main tip is to start off on a scratch paper and go very gently and add layers and layers of color. So you see how soft it makes the background here. We've been working with the sponge daubers, which were nice as well, but these are so much better. You can add as many times as you want to get the effect that you want, but don't forget you can't subtract, so keep adding and adding. See, this gives you a little bit like clouds in my sky. Same thing for the crumb cake here. I'll start it off and do kind of a beach background. So in a circular motion, it's very subtle, it's very soft, so it gives you a nice soft background. So you see, you keep adding and adding until you get the look that you're going for. So we've used these in another tip a couple of weeks ago with shimmer paint. But you can use all the colors, all the Stampin' Up! Colors, and build your backgrounds with layers of color. So you can do the same color, alternate your colors, and once you're done, these clean up like a charm. You just wash them under clear water with a little bit of dish soap and let them dry. They'll be good as new. Hope you enjoyed this tip and that you'll try it out for yourself, and we'll see you next time.